this is going to open up some opportunities, because ultimately, going back to where we need the consumer to be, their primary revenue driver is iPhones. So that can be a concern. We did break a lot of technical levels. 215 was something I was watching. 220 was my next point, and I think we have overcome that already. But this is what I'm considering from market share perspective. If they have an exemption and their competitors do not necessarily, because of their exposure, they could gather market share, and that's good for Apple overall. So what we need to see is this de-risk that they've had. We can expand their supply chain. I want to see what that looks like. And then ultimately, does that actually translate over to earnings? That is important. The market moves on earnings. We want to see it translate to earnings. We are pulling forward a lot of earnings at this moment. So what I'm saying for Apple from a trade perspective, if you own it already, sell some covered calls. That creates some neutrality, capture some upside potential, maybe a 0.2 delta. If you don't own it, a great time to sell a cash secured put. You do that at maybe a 0.5 delta, 45 days out. But it's interesting because I believe this was a catalyst for overall technology as well because of tariff exemption. Yeah. That's clarity. We need clarity. Clarity reduces volatility.